Presenting the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 8 speakers, audio jack input for mobile devices, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, 130, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.